Hi, I'm Maziar Beruz. I'm an architect and founder of MB Architecture.
Hi, I'm Amy Fusselman, and this is my family's home in Amagansett, a project we did with Maziar.
This site has some unique challenges which we solved in a unique way that also met the needs of our clients.
While Maziar gives you a tour of the exterior, I'm going to head inside. I'll meet you there.
Since shipping containers have specific sizes and constraints, we had to create simple geometric solutions that would be easily installed on site. We decided to paint the house black so it would hide in the shadows of the trees that surround it. As you notice, there are 4 shipping containers in this section of the house, and we removed the walls inside and the floor to create a double height space and added these large floor-to-ceiling windows that give you a nice view out. But let's go inside and take a better look.
This is our living room. It's our main hangout space. It's really a place where we chill after being in the pool, share stories, eat dinner. It's a communal hang. The feeling in this space, the double height windows, is really inspirational, and it inspired me, in fact, to write a book about this place. I love just hanging out here with Twix, and as you can see, she's pretty comfortable here too. The furniture here is a mix and match. Table Saarinen, the Togo sofa is by Lina Rosette, and the wing chair is by Cassina. And my husband Frank made this table during the pandemic. This room is the heart of the home. From here you can get anywhere.
And I designed this staircase to feel like a room. This whole house is all about this staircase. We wanted to make sure that you have an unobstructed line of sight from the living room up the staircase and through these windows up at this landing. So the staircase is a transition between the living room and the bedroom, one being very public, the other very private. We wanted to give this principal bedroom a little more space, so we cantilevered a container off of the second floor. Not only do we get more space in the principal bedroom area, but from the outside, it's a very interesting feature. And with these floor-to-ceiling windows up on the second floor, you really get the feeling of being in a tree house and being surrounded by trees. And being surrounded by the environment inspired the next feature of this house, which I'm going to show you. This tree is a pivotal anchor point of the project. We nestled the house around it, and we wanted to make sure that you can see it by adding this bridge that has glass on both sides of it. What this transition space does, because you can see all the way through it, is it splits the building up into 2 parts, scales it down, and makes it appear very settled into its environment. And off of here, there are 2 bedrooms and a shared bath. After all, this is a home for a family.
This is the first house we ever built from scratch, and it was such a pleasure to work with Maziar, to entrust him to make this vision come to life. And it turned out so amazing for our family.
And I'm so happy to have guided Amy and the family through this process, and at the same time explored innovations in architecture.
Thanks for taking a look.
And can't wait to see you on the next project.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?